In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a job application form using Google Form with ChatGPT AI, step by step, so you can create a professional application form much faster and with way less guesswork. This is a great method if you're hiring for a new role, collecting candidate details, or just want a clean and organized application process without building everything from scratch. The best part is that ChatGPT helps you generate smart, structured questions, and Google Forms lets you put everything together in a simple, shareable form. If this video helps you, go ahead and hit the like button and make sure to subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump in. The first thing you want to do is open ChatGPT. You can use it to plan out the content of your job application form before you even open Google Forms. This saves time because instead of thinking through every question yourself, you can ask AI to help build a strong application structure for you. In the prompt box, type something like, "Create a list of 10 essential job application questions for a specific job title, including field types such as short answer, multiple choice, or file upload." If you're hiring for a receptionist, a graphic designer, a sales representative, or any other role, just replace the job title with your own position. Once ChatGPT gives you the list, review it carefully. You can ask it to refine the questions if you want more specific sections. For example, you might ask for behavioral questions, technical screeners, availability questions, or questions about work experience. This is one of the biggest advantages of using AI because you can quickly customize the form for the exact type of candidate you want to attract. You can also ask ChatGPT to make the questions more professional, more beginner-friendly, or more detailed depending on your hiring process. Now that you have your questions ready, open Google Forms by going to forms.google.com. Once the page loads, click the blank form button to start a new form. This gives you a clean workspace where you can build your job application from the ground up. At the top, click where it says Untitled Form and rename it to something clear, like Job Application, followed by the job title. For example, Job Application Marketing Assistant. That way, candidates instantly know what the form is for. Next, it's time to add your questions. On the right-hand side of the form, click the plus icon to create a new question. Then copy the first question from ChatGPT and paste it into the question field. After that, look at the drop-down where it usually says multiple choice, because that's where you can choose the best field type for each question. For a name field, use short answer. For a cover letter or long explanation, use paragraph. For questions with fixed choices, use multiple choice or drop-down. Matching the question type to the answer style makes your form much easier to complete and much more professional. Keep repeating that process for each question you generated in ChatGPT. Add the basic details first, like full name, email address, phone number, and job title applying for. Then move into experience, skills, availability, and any role-specific questions. If you want to screen candidates more effectively, you can also include a few behavioral questions, such as how they handle deadlines, teamwork, or conflict. That gives you more useful information before you ever schedule an interview. If your role requires resumes or portfolios, you can also enable file uploads. To do that, add a new question and then select File Upload from the question type dropdown. This is very helpful if you want candidates to attach a resume, cover letter, portfolio, or other supporting document. Just remember that file upload questions may require sign-in, so make sure that matches your hiring setup and the type of applicants you expect. After your questions are in place, click the Settings tab at the top. Under the Responses section, you can manage how people submit the form. One useful option is collecting email addresses, which can be set to verified or responder input depending on how you want to gather contact information. This makes it easier to follow up with applicants later without having to manually ask for their email separately. You can also connect your form to a Google Sheet spreadsheet for easier tracking. Go to the Responses tab and click the green Sheets icon to create a spreadsheet. This is a really helpful step if you expect multiple applicants, because all the responses will be organized automatically in one place. Instead of searching through email messages or copying answers by hand, you'll have a simple table you can sort, review, and share with your team. Once everything looks good, review your form one more time. Make sure the title is correct, the questions are clear, and the answer types match the information you want to collect. Check for spelling, formatting, and any missing fields. A polished form makes a strong first impression and helps candidates feel confident about applying. Finally, click the Send button in the top right corner to share the application. From here, you can send it by email, copy the link, or embed it on your website depending on how you want applicants to access it. If you're posting the form publicly, test the link yourself first so you can make sure everything works correctly from start to finish. And that's how you make a job application form using Google Form with ChatGPT AI. It's fast, flexible, and a great way to create a professional hiring workflow without wasting time. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.